Today we had a decision by the High Court judge, Puan Alice Low. We are disappointed. We are disappointed over several issues which are so critical that we thought she did not analyze it properly. This is our view. Yeah, this is our view. Today's decision has taken away the fullest prerogative of mercy of not only the young di-Pertuan Agong but the Malay rulers and governors. This decision has taken away that wide latitude given to the young di-Pertuan Agong and the Malay rulers, because today's decision said, in short, we make the conclusion that the young di-Pertuan Agong cannot make a decision about pardon unless he make that decision with the pardons board. That means he must be sitting with the pardons board and then makes the decision. Whereas we know that in practice, the Malay rulers in the states as well as young di-Pertuan Agong is only obligated to be with the pardons board to discuss about the matters of pardon of certain individuals. Now, after he discuss it, or after the pardons board has given their opinion, what the young di-Pertuan Agong need to do is, he need not have to decide in the pardons board. He doesn't have to. There's never been any case that say that he has to announce it at the pardons board, but he need only to discuss with the pardons board. Now, today's decision seems to suggest that every decision pertaining to pardon must be made within the pardons board. Now, that has taken away what the Agong and the Malay rulers have enjoyed, the full discretion on matters of pardon. And this is serious. As you know, there were attempts by some politician and Prime Minister to reduce the powers of the Malay rulers and the young di-Pertuan Agong many years ago. And I can tell you, one of the powers of the Malay rulers and the young di-Pertuan Agong that has not been affected is the power of pardon. But today's decision has compromised it, because it allows the powers of the young di-Pertuan Agong to be diluted, because he needs to make his decision apparently within the confines of the pardons board, which we think is completely untrue and incorrect. What will happen is there will be a floodgate of application to get to the bottom of what happened in the pardons board. Because dalam kes ni, this is the first case, and it is done by the Attorney General himself to let parties see what actually is being discussed in the pardons board. Never before in the history that this is done. Why is this not done? Is because we have got a series of federal court cases. Bukan satu, bukan dua, but I think at least 7. But if I'm not mistaken, they are altogether 9. With the latest being the decision pertaining to Datuk Seri Najib Ibrahim punya decision, where the court said keputusan yang di-Pertuan Agong dalam lembaga pengampunan ataupun keputusan yang di-Pertuan Agong berkenaan dengan pengampunan tidak boleh disangkal, tidak boleh di-challenge. Yeah, that means it is a power of mercy that is non-challengeable. Daripada dulu tak boleh. Tetapi hari ini keputusan mahkamah mengatakan keputusan yang di-Pertuan Agong yang memberikan perintah addendum boleh diketepikan, sebab dia kata mengikut prosedur dalam lembaga pengampunan, keputusan addendum itu adalah tidak dibuat semasa majlis pengampunan bermesyuarat. Jadi ini adalah satu ruang yang agak ditendang buka dengan begitu luas, yang akan menjejas kuasa-kuasa yang di-Pertuan Agong dan Raja-Raja Melayu. Dan saya dengan ini meminta dan memohon kepada Raja-Raja Melayu, Yang di-Pertuan Agong juga termasuk, dan juga governor-governor yang terbabit, supaya mereka halusi keputusan hari ini, because keputusan ini ada impak yang begitu besar terhadap kuasa Raja-Raja Melayu, Yang di-Pertuan Agong dan governor-governor yang terbabit. This court decided that only the Director General of Prison can give the order for house imprisonment. This is shocking because under Article 42, bracket 2, which she did not touch today, which we submitted a lot, what other federal authorities like the prison can do, the Yang di-Pertuan Agong can do. I mean, the Yang di-Pertuan Agong can do matters which relate to the issue of prisoners, which of course includes matters like pardon, respite, and what do you call it, reprieve, and so on and so on. Yeah. So keputusan hari ini seolah-olah menunjukkan the Director General of Prison has got more powers than the Yang di-Pertuan Agong, which is turning logic upside down. Yeah. So it is an important decision for us to take it up for appeal.
What's the next course of action?
We are appealing. Yeah, we have asked for an early judgment to be formalized, the written judgment, and the record of appeal to be quickly prepared so that we move it to the court of appeal, and of course after that move it to the federal court, which I think will be necessary.
Datuk Seri punya reaction.
Of course, he is very disappointed. Reason why he is disappointed, keputusan addendum was on 29 of January 2024. It's going to be what? How many years? 2 years? 2 years? Huh?
2 years.
It's 2 years. Now, this is Rentah Agong. You delayed it for 2 years. It's very important. The judge did not deal with this matter.
What other
What other
remedies?
ways can Datuk Seri Najib come out? There's way of parole as well, right?
What other ways? Break from the prison. There's no other way. You go and appeal. Yeah, and of course you can do another pardon request, and you can do other processes under Section 43 of the Prison Act, which includes issues of what do you call that process? On parole, releasing on license, for instance, because she said now is the DG's power, nobody else's, not even the Agong, not even the minister. So we have to ask the DG, now that the court has given the DG the sole power, we ask the DG whether he can give us the house arrest. So this sounds like my client didn't get a fair trial.
Jumlah bagi hukuman penjara Datuk Seri Najib.
Yes, sekarang ni, yes.
Okay, berapa single tahun and another cases lagi kan?
No, you're complicating it. You must take one by one. SRC, I think dia bagi tarikh dia tu. The reduction of sentence dia bagi tarikh, I think 2028. Dia bagi. Tetapi ini tak termasuk what they call remission, automatic remission of wanted, tak termasuk. Jadi besar kemungkinan lebih awal. Okay. Kes lain belum buat keputusan. Okay, anything else?
Apart from the Datuk Seri Najib apply for parole, since he already served half of his sentence, so he's eligible to apply for parole.
There are other requirements, and we are not disclosing it at this moment. There are other requirements of parole.
You mean you're not disclosing whether you want to apply for parole?
No, I need to get full instruction from him, so I can't be disclosing on my own what he wants to do.
He has given the instruction whether he wants to apply for parole or otherwise.
He has discussed, but he has not given instruction. Yes? Anything?
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
It was quite hot outside.
Huh?
I had to go inside. It was quite hot outside.